Question number 21. A mass attached to a string rotates in a gravitational field with a constant period in a vertical plane. Vertical plane. When you have a vertical plane, what will happen? The tension will change and velocity will also change. Let us see what's the question. How do the mass, speed of the mass, speed of the mass, this mass is here, mass goes here, mass here, okay, and tension of the string compared with P and Q, see, tension here would be T plus mg is equal to mv square by r, okay, so tension will be very least over here, and here tension will be pulling, it has to pull all the object upwards so that it climbs all the way up. So therefore tension at Q is always greater than tension at P. Okay, first thing. Okay, tension at Q is greater than P, TQ is greater. So these two are unequal. This is not correct. Then velocity here would be higher. Otherwise, it will not be able to climb so much, right? So therefore, velocity here would be higher. So greater at Q. So and hence, what you can say is D should be the right answer.